Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off my wash day routine, I'm going to hop right on in it, and I'm going to start it off with a pre-poo. And to make my DIY pre-poo, I'm going to take this Garnier Whole Blends Deep Conditioner. This is the hydrating one. I'm going to take 4 oils, and my oils of choice today is almond oil, and I'm also going to take some grapeseed oil here. My hair loves this grapeseed oil, and Jamaican black castor oil, and this one has the rosemary in it, which is really good. And my last oil of choice today is the extra virgin olive oil. You can choose whatever oils you have. You can use 1 oil, 2 oils. I just like to mix them up, so I used these 4 today, and my hair loved it. So I usually use the Aussie Moist deep conditioner. I use a cheap deep conditioner since I know I'm gonna be rinsing it out, and it's not my true deep conditioner. But I'm gonna take 3 heaping spoonfuls of the deep conditioner. I'm gonna drizzle some almond oil on top of that. And then I'm going to drizzle some grapeseed oil on top of that. Sounds like I'm cooking, huh? And then I'm going to take some Jamaican black castor oil. I do measure the black castor oil and the deep conditioner. All the other stuff I just kind of eyeball it. But I'm going to take 2 spoonfuls of the Jamaican black castor oil, all because it's a really thick oil. And I'm going to mix that up really well. And then I'm going to add my last oil, which is the extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO. And I'm gonna make it mix it up so it's like all a good mixture. Then I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. I see a huge difference whenever I don't heat this up, so I recommend you guys heating this up and then applying it to your hair. You'll thank me later. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is on this is a 2-week-old wash and go, and my hair needs some TLC. I want to show you guys that number 1, my hair is dirty, and number 2, how my edges are thinning. I'm going through postpartum shedding. My daughter is 4 months now, and it started around her 3-month age mark, and I need to get it under control. So now I'm taking some extra, nope, this is not extra virgin olive oil. This is some aloe vera juice and water mixed in a spray bottle. If you guys have not tried aloe vera juice in your hair, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Aloe vera juice literally makes my hair so much easier to manage. My detangling is so much easier. My hair loves aloe vera juice. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. You guys know I always work in my hair in sections. So I'm going to section my hair off here so I can begin the detangling process, and so I can add my pre-poo. I used to add my pre-poo on dry hair, but I don't like to detangle my hair on completely dry hair or add product on completely dry hair. So that's why I spray the moisture mix. And as you guys can see, well, it's kind of spit up here, but my hair was so much easier to detangle when I added the aloe vera juice. So now I'm going to go in with my pre-poo, and this stuff literally, see, it just melted right on into my hair. I have to do a little dance. Well, I was listening to music too, but then I don't know, just heating it up just does something for my hair. Heating up your pre-poo or deep conditioner before you add it to your hair, it kind of gets the oils and all that stuff ready to penetrate your hair shaft. So I'm going to make sure my hair is further detangled again, and so this can really be distributed evenly throughout my hair. And I'm going to just twist it up. So here is my hair after all the pre-poo has been put in my hair, and I'm going to leave this in. I'm going to put a plastic cap over my head, and I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 30 minutes. And so this can really just kind of get my hair ready for wash day. So yeah. And forgot, I had some deep conditioner on my face. And I want to show you guys here, this is how much hair this is how much shedding I had from detangling. This is not all that came out, but that was the first part of it. And I hate seeing that much hair come out, because my hair never shedded so much at all until after I started having after I had my daughter, which is postpartum shedding. So now that I let that sit for 30 minutes, it's time to go ahead and wash my hair. So I'm going to go under the sink, and I usually start with warm water. I know they say it's not good to use warm water, but this is actually better for my hair to get all of those oils out of my hair. And you know what, as far as my color, the warm water doesn't really hurt my color, honestly. I'm just really focused on getting the oils out so my hair won't be heavy. And me and my husband watched this video earlier about a guy who was in the shower, and his girlfriend wife kept putting shampoo in his hair while he was washing it. So my husband thought it'd be funny for him to do that during my video. So shout out to you, husband. Thank you. So I didn't realize it until I was actually doing it, and I'm like, did he really just do that? So I'm going to be using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian. I have to look at them for a second. Like, seriously, I'm gonna be using the Ancient Egyptian shampoo here. I already have a review on my channel on this shampoo, but use any shampoo you have. I usually start off by focusing the shampoo on my scalp and like really getting it to my scalp and massaging my scalp to get up all the buildup and dirt that, you know, that's been built up over the past 2 weeks. That's what I'm doing here, is focusing the shampoo on my scalp and then letting it run through the rest of my hair. I wash my hair usually about once a week, but this particular week I didn't have time, so I did it once every 2 weeks. So here is, I just added some more water to get my hair to lather up better. This Main Choice shampoo is really good. I like it a lot. So once you are finished shampooing, you're going to go in with your conditioner. I'm still in love with this conditioner. As you can see, I'm pretty much out of this conditioner, but this is like my absolute favorite conditioner of all times, literally all times. I love this conditioner. I'm going to focus this. I'm going to try to focus it. Well, I should have started on my ends first because that's the oldest part of my hair. But you want to just put the conditioner on your hair and just massage it in and then rinse it out. So now we are ready to deep condition. So this is what my hair is looking like now. It has been pre-pooed and washed and conditioned, and it feels so good. A clean scalp just does something for me. Like, I be feeling myself when my hair is like clean and my curls are popping. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing right now. So now I'm going to go in with the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Hydrating Mask. No, this video is not sponsored by Main Choice, even though I wish it was. It is not. I want to show you guys the consistency of it. This mask literally just melts into my hair. I did not heat this mask up before I put it in. I used to only do that for my pre-poo, not my actual deep conditioner, because I usually sit under a hooded dryer or I steam my hair. So I'm going to focus that on my ends, starting on my ends, to working my way up and kind of massaging it in my scalp, and then I'm going to just twist the sections up. Now I'm going to go ahead and steam my hair. From here, you can actually sit under a hooded dryer. You can put a towel, a hot towel, steamy towel over your hair to open your hair cuticles. I just choose, and I like my Redew hand steamer, so I'm going to steam my hair while this deep conditioner is in there, so it can really penetrate my hair shaft and open up the cuticles and let the conditioner and the moisture all soak in. So now, once that deep conditioner is rinsed out, my wash routine is pretty much done. This is how my hair looks after all. I have pre-pooed, shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. This usually takes me about a good, 2.5 hours. So if you're gonna take this route, make sure you have time to do it. From here, I think I just did a wash and go. I'm not really sure what I did to my hair, but yeah, I was like feeling myself. Like, I was like one of those herbal essence girls. But from here, yeah, that's pretty much it for this wash day routine. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and mwah! I love you. I'll see you later. Bye. You